Jai Srimanarayana, 35th sloka of 10th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Bruhatsama Tadha Samnam Gayatri Chandasamaham Masanam Margashirshoham Rutunam Kusumakaraha. When you hear the Veda mantras, especially a special mantra from Rigveda which glorifies the ruler of all the devatas, think about Sri Krishna Paramatma. When you hear the Gayatri mantra and other mantras which are also built in same Gayatri meter, think about Sri Krishna Paramatma. When you come across Margali Masam, Margashirsha Masam, think about Sri Krishna Paramatma. When you come across spring time, think about Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire his Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha. Now you must respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines, which is going to be the most effective puja for the day. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall definitely remember you when I hear the Veda mantras, when I hear the Gayatri mantra and other mantras built in same meter, when I come across Margashirsha Masam, and when I come across the springtime. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone, I shall not cry. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava Pibata Bhagavatam Rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo bhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 145th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, "Oh Parikshit Narendra, Yasoda Devi continuing her efforts to tie Sri Krishna Paramatma. When she is going through so much of hard work and getting tired and getting sweated, Drishtva Parishramam Krishnaha Krupayasit Svabandhane Kattarani Tannu Kattedanani Chinta Kattukonina Tallin Karuna Chuchi." Seeing that Krishna felt very compassionate towards his mother Yasoda Devi. And also he is feeling happy to see her efforts to tie him. His supremacy is one side. His mother's love is other side. Both of them are competing each other. Then finally Sri Krishna Paramatma withdrew his supremacy and gone into the custody of Yasoda Devi completely. He got tied by Yasoda Devi. Oh Krishna, what great kind of such a miraculous act this is. You are the one who can remove all kind of bondage. Bandha vimochanudi sudu. You are the one who can remove every bondage to all entities. Such great Paramapurusha Sriman Narayana now Janani Bandhambunan Kattu Badiyan Patinchin Rupa. Now he is tied by Yasoda Devi. He is tied by Yasoda Devi's love and affection. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 10th chapter 35th sloka. Bruhatsamatadha samnam Gayatri chandasamaham Masanam margasirshoham Rutunam kusumakaraha. Bruhatsamatadha samnam Gayatri chandasamaham Masanam margasirshoham Rutunam kusumakaraha. Srimannarayana Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.